In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Outlook. If your inbox isn't showing the latest emails, your calendar looks out of date, or messages seem stuck in the outbox, a quick manual refresh can get everything back in sync. Outlook does this automatically on a schedule, but sometimes you want to force it right away, especially when you're waiting for something important or you've just made changes on another device. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load so you can see your mail folders and the ribbon along the top. If you use more than one account in Outlook, keep in mind that a refresh can update all of them at once, which is exactly what we want here. Next, look to the ribbon at the top of the window and go to the Send Receive tab. This tab is dedicated to getting and sending messages and controlling sync. You'll find options for individual folders, specific accounts, and the entire profile. If you don't see the ribbon, try maximizing Outlook or clicking the small arrow to expand it so the Send Receive tab becomes visible. Now click Send Receive All Folders. This is the most thorough option because it checks every mail folder for every account you've added, and it also processes anything waiting to be sent. Think of it as asking Outlook to talk to all your mail servers right now. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing F9 does the same thing in most versions of Outlook, which is handy when you want a refresh without moving your mouse. That click triggers an immediate sync. Watch the status bar at the bottom of the Outlook window. You'll see messages like updating inbox, sending, or synchronizing subscribed folders. New emails should appear, messages in the outbox will go out, and items like calendar events, contacts, and tasks will update if they're part of your account's sync. If your mailbox is large or you've got big attachments pending, give it a little time to finish. A stable internet connection helps speed things along, and if you're on a VPN or a spotty network, the refresh may take longer. If you still don't see new items after it completes, it's usually because nothing new is available yet or the server hasn't delivered it. Try again in a moment, that's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to the Send Receive tab, click Send Receive All Folders, and let the sync run. It's a quick, reliable way to make sure you're fully up to date whenever you need it.